마포도 후보. English, please.
She's literally just saying food. Do you have a stapler by any chance for me?
Hey, 어떻게 팔아먹어? 와, 씨발 새끼야. 이런
This is multi-language. See, look, he'll see it. It's on my story.
All right, what are you guys doing? Stapler. There's one here somewhere. What? What the hell?
What the? Stapler.
Dude, it felt so bad.
What
I
happened?
got one of it felt
Somebody got the stapler.
So do you now know what it means, despacito?
Más despacio, por favor. Of course I do. Phrase of the week, then or more.
It means slowly, but what's the whole song about?
I assume going slowly during.
Taking the relationship.
Puerto Rico. I do. What the heck is that on my desk? Did you guys put that stapler in there?
Yeah.
That's not my stapler. That's Senora Yang's stapler.
Mr. Dixon, do you have a stapler? I don't have a stapler.
It's surprising to see you in the hallways again, Srinath, because you're always in there. All right, hold on. Must be. What the heck?
Graham, can you do you have a stapler? I didn't stapler my guy.
Come on, Srinath. Yeah, it's in the basket, the usual spot. Wait, what is this?
I don't know. It's not here. It's in something.
What the hell is this?
It's a stapler. Why is it in Jello?
Who did this? Did you do this?
No, it's probably Jim.
Real professional. Jinmo did this? Jinmo's not clever enough to do this.
Jimmo watches The Office. I think it was his prank.
Srinath, how the hell am I supposed to use my stapler if it's stuck in Jello? What is this? How could you do this?
I'm sorry.
Srinath, you're the class president? This is something presidential to you? You gotta be kidding me.
It was a prank. It was a
Jinmo,
prank.
I don't care
It's
what
a prank. It's
Jinmo wouldn't
from
do
The Office.
this.
It's
William Band wouldn't do this.
It's from The Office.
Mega Super Duper Eddie wouldn't do this as the new president.
It's a prank.
I don't give a rat's ass if it's from The Office.
Oh my god.
How could you do this?
It's a prank.